Seafood stuff, sole. Is that sole or so? How do you say that?
Sole.
Okay, that one. That please, and
This is lobsters.
salmon. The wood grilled fresh salmon. Please.
Baked potato, mashed potato.
Coming back from the Philippines. While my parents are having dinner.
Wow. Baked potato, please.
I will have a protein bar.
Yes, please.
And Caesar salad, garden salad.
Caesar salad.
And
Thank you.
a Luna bar.
Maple glazed chicken over
So that I do not eat delicious
You can't even
core food like that.
Caesar salad.
Yeah, right there. You feel it? You feel it? You feel it.
You ordering anything?
No, thank you.
He's on a strict diet.
I don't think I could do it.
That is
Girl in
hot.
there's like on some 7-day diet where you can eat like vegetables this day. Like,
Oh, really?
I'm like, you're really anal.
That's crazy.
You lose 10 pounds a week.